Yeah, Maribu. We thank God because of this. In Jesus' name.
Jambo and a warm welcome to Malindi. We have landed at the Malindi International Airport. We request that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until this aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt have been switched off. Remember to look through the seat pocket and don't for any small personal